Here are 5 things to help you develop a positive mindset. Number 1, set realistic goals. It's okay to dream big, but it doesn't help you if you set unrealistic goals that you know you will not be able to accomplish. Failure to achieve your goals can lead to discouragement or feelings of failure. You want your goals to be challenging, but something you can realistically achieve. Don't forget to break your goals down into smaller manageable activities. Number 2, learn from past mistakes and failures. No one is perfect. We all make mistakes and experience failures in life. However, dwelling on past mistakes or failures breeds negativity. Instead, draw lessons from past mistakes and failures to make better decisions in the future. Don't allow past mistakes or failures to prevent you from trying new things or taking risks in the future. Number 3, engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Nothing beats doing things that you love and enjoy. Find time to regularly do activities that bring you joy and boost your mood. Make time for hobbies, exercise, or anything else that bring you happiness and sense of purpose and meaning. Number 4, celebrate your achievements. Take time to acknowledge and celebrate your achievements or successes, big or small. Celebrating milestones fosters a sense of accomplishment and positivity. This will build your confidence, momentum, and keep you motivated. Number 5, share positivity with others. Share positive news, stories, or experiences with others. Making others laugh or feel appreciated make you feel good about yourself. Acts of kindness, big or small, contribute to a positive and fulfilling life. If this video helped you, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. This will help the channel to reach more people. And don't forget to leave a comment. This is Kenny signing off. Thank you for watching. And remember, there's greatness in you. Until next time, stay blessed, my friends.